Hello and welcome to this video on how to clear UPSC in the first attempt. If you are an aspiring civil servant and planning to take the UPSC exam, then this video is for you. UPSC or Union Public Service Commission conducts the Civil Services Examination, CSE, every year, which is considered one of the toughest exams in India. In this video, we will discuss some tips and strategies to clear UPSC in the first attempt. Understand the syllabus. The first and foremost step in preparing for UPSC is to understand the syllabus. The syllabus for the UPSC exam is vast and covers a wide range of topics, including history, geography, polity, economy, environment, and current affairs. Go through the syllabus thoroughly and make a note of all the topics that need to be covered. Make a study plan. After understanding the syllabus, the next step is to make a study plan. A well-planned study schedule is essential to cover the entire syllabus before the exam. Divide the syllabus into smaller parts and allot time for each topic. Make a timetable and stick to it. You can also make use of technology by using study apps or online resources to make your study plan more effective. Read NCERT books. The NCERT books are considered the Bible for UPSC preparation. They cover the basic concepts and provide a solid foundation for the exam. Start with NCERT books and then move on to other reference books. NCERT books are easily available online, and most of them are free to download. Read newspaper. Current affairs play a crucial role in the UPSC exam. Reading a newspaper daily is the best way to stay updated with the latest news and events. The Hindu, Indian Express, and Economic Times are some of the newspapers that are recommended for UPSC preparation. Make a habit of taking notes while reading the newspaper. Make notes. Making notes is an essential part of UPSC preparation. Note down all the important points, definitions, and concepts while studying. Use different colors to highlight important points, which will help you to revise better. Keep your notes organized and easily accessible for quick reference. Practice writing. Writing practice is crucial for the UPSC exam. Start writing answers for the previous year's question papers or mock tests. It will help you to improve your writing skills, time management, and also give you an idea of the type of questions asked in the exam. Make sure to get your answers evaluated by someone who has knowledge of UPSC. Join a coaching institute. Joining a coaching institute is not mandatory, but it can be helpful for some candidates. A good coaching institute will provide you with guidance, study materials, and mock tests. However, it is essential to choose the right coaching institute as there are many fraudulent ones in the market. Stay motivated. UPSC preparation is a long and tedious process. It is easy to lose motivation and give up. Therefore, it is crucial to stay motivated throughout the preparation process. Surround yourself with positive and like-minded people who will encourage and support you. Take breaks in between and indulge in activities that you enjoy. Revise. Revision is the key to success in UPSC. Revise the entire syllabus at least twice before the exam. Make use of your notes and revise the important points regularly. Revision will help you to retain the information better and also boost your confidence. Stay calm. Last but not least, stay calm and composed during the exam. The UPSC exam is a long and challenging process, and it is essential to stay calm and focused during the exam. Do not panic if you do not know the answer to a question. Move on to the next question and come back to it later if you have time. In conclusion, clearing UPSC in the first attempt requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Understanding the syllabus, making a study plan, reading NCERT books, keeping up with current affairs, making notes, practicing writing, joining a coaching institute, staying motivated, revising regularly, and staying calm during the exam are some of the key strategies to clear UPSC in the first attempt. Remember that everyone's journey to clear UPSC is different, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. You need to find what works best for you and stick to it. With the right approach and mindset, you can achieve your dream of becoming a civil servant in India. All the best. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.